It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We're gonna try salty seed. It is plums and salt. I'm thinking it might be a lot like umeboshi, but this comes from Hawaii. Even though it says on top product of China, on the back it says packed in Hawaii. So I'm not sure if it's Hawaiian or Chinese. We're not really sure about that. Umeboshi that we had tried, you can check out that video, that was a pretty good one, is from Japan. So these are either from China or Hawaii. So we'll see how they compare. Who's ready?
Me.
Give one a try.
I'll take this one.
Oh, it smells like umeboshi.
It smells really, really salty.
Take a little nibble.
Oh, that's... Yikes, that's salty.
Really salty. It's even saltier than umeboshi.
Saltier?
Yeah.
Is that even possible?
Yes, it is. So
Umeboshi, I don't even know what covered this, but this is basically a plum that is covered every square centimeter, every square millimeter with salt.
salt. It's like 3 layers of salt.
So thumbs up or thumbs down?
Tons of them.
No thumbs up at all?
No, those are too salty.
Wait.
They could shrivel up your skin.
Do you think people should buy them and give them a try?
No.
If they like salty foods or if they eat salt a lot, yes.
If you read about them on the internet, there's a lot of health benefits. They say they're really good for you.
Well, if you don't like, if they're really good for you, but you won't like them.
Unless you're a salty person.
It's like cod liver oil.
Only worse.
Way worse.
Who wants to eat the rest?
Not me.
Not me.